Hello. This project presentation is done by myself Rahul and my teammate Santoshi. This project is on the domain embedded systems as a part of Emertxe Internship program. So these are the contents inside the project presentation. These were the different topics learnt during the internship period at Emertxe. So first we studied about the introduction to the C programming language, different data types and modifiers in C. We also studied about single and multi-iteration conditional constructs and operators in C. We studied arrays and pointers, and then we finally learned how to write function codes to collaborate all these components together and use them all to carry out a single specific task. So we use different functions in this project to carry out different functionalities. We also studied about the basics of embedded systems. We studied that it is a combination of hardware and software to carry out a specific task, unlike a general purpose computer. We also studied about the different requirements and challenges and development trends in the embedded domain so as to consider the different aspects while building any embedded systems for the matter. So in this project, we have done a simulation of a microwave oven. While doing so, we also took into consideration of all these factors. So these are the different requirements for the project. Obviously, we'll need a PC or a laptop, and then we use Pixim Lab for the output simulation. Then we wrote down the code in MPLAB XID software using an XE8 compiler. So these are the different components that we used for completing this project, which we'll discuss in detail in the coming slides. So this is the microcontroller that we use for this project, PIC 16F877A. We've been studying about this microcontroller for during the internship period. So these are the project details. It is a simulation of a microwave oven, and the major requirement is to provide a simulation of that using Pixim Lab, as I stated earlier. We have considered three different modes, like micro, grill, and convection, and we also use an additional mode called start mode, which is used for minimal duration. So basically, we'll be trying to create a simulation using all these modes. So the first mode, micro mode, in this mode, the user is allowed to enter the duration of time for the microwave to function. The second mode is called the grill mode, which is also similar to the micro mode. The third mode is convection mode, in which preheating is allowed, and then the user can give the time duration when the microwave oven can function. The last mode is start mode, which is used for minimalistic heating applications because it runs only for a few seconds. So this project will be trying to implement all these modes. Now we'll just dive straight into the project demonstration. So yeah, we are reloading the hex file. You could see the microwave on powering on. So these are the different modes available. We can give the inputs from the keypads available. I mean the numbers in the keypad available. So now we'll be giving mode 1 for our demonstration. So once you press the key 1 in the demonstration purpose, you'll be able to see the power being displayed, power equal to 900 watts, and then you can also set the time for which the microwave oven is supposed to heat the contents inside it. So for instance, we are giving it as 12 minutes 20 seconds here, and these are the different functionalities that is available. After you give the time, you can either start or resume. So when you press start or resume, it will add 30 seconds, as you could see here, or you can also pause the timing. As you can see, it's paused, or you can also press the stop functionality, which will entirely stop the like functioning of the microwave oven. Yeah, it will redirect you to the home settings. So next up, we'll try to go with the same micro mode, and as said earlier, it's displaying power, and now we'll set the time as a small amount, like 10 seconds. So once the specified time is completed, you'll be able to hear a buzzer, and it will say that the timing is finished. Yeah, time up is a command that is coming up. So this is how the micro mode works. And next step, we'll try to go with the grill mode, which is also very similar to the micro mode. Here also we'll be able to specify the time during which the microwave oven is supposed to function. So once you specify the time, it will also run the similar way. You can either start, pause, or stop. So once the timing is finished, similarly you'll be able to hear a beep sound and the prompt that the time is up. So the first two modes are covered. Then we'll go with convection mode. In convection mode, you'll be able to set the temperature. So basically, this temperature is for preheating the microwave oven before you specify the other functionality. See, if you are setting 123 as a temperature, the microwave oven will preheat for 180 seconds. So we have fast forwarded to the last 10 seconds. The microwave oven is preheated with the temperature specified for 3 minutes, that is 180 seconds. And once the preheating is done, then you can give the time for which the microwave oven is supposed to heat the contents which is present inside the microwave oven. For instance, we are giving it as 10 seconds here. So let's wait for the 10 seconds to complete. Yeah, similarly we are getting this prompt as time up. So that's how the convection mode works. And as stated earlier, start mode is the last mode, which is only used for minimalistic heating applications for a very limited duration. You can also perform the other functionalities like start or pause or stop the timing. Yeah, we're getting the same prompt as time up once the timing is over. So these are the different modes, and yeah, that's it for the project presentation. Thank you.